Hi, I'm Michelle Dayton. I'm an emergency physician and a spiritual director. Spiritual direction is providing a welcoming space for the Holy Spirit where the director sits with someone and listens to their life, attentively and prompted by the Spirit, asking questions so that the individual can notice more acutely the movement and action of God in their lives. Spiritual direction is a form of being a spiritual companion where you co-discern with someone so they notice the movement and action of God in their life. I am more equipped as a spiritual director by participating in this program because working side by side with spiritual direction and formational prayer, they complement each other. Spiritual direction is noticing the movement and action of God in our lives, and formational prayer addresses all the roadblocks that we hit when we're trying to notice the movement and action of God in our lives. Many of our blind spots are caused by woundings, and being equipped in both allows us to go to more places with the folks with whom we sit. I think this program in particular not only provides you with academics, but also in the spiritual practices and the focus of Ignatian spirituality. It becomes a transformative part of your individual journey. I now operate out of a place of peace. Through the spiritual practices, through the cohort, through the instruction, I experienced an internal shift from living out of a place of fear and anxiety to being centered. The most amazing part was when my daughter came home after being gone for a year. She said she noticed she had a new mother. I have used the training that I received in this spiritual direction program, of course, sitting with people in spiritual direction, watching their lives be transformed by awakening in their lives to what God is doing, simply because I'm there providing a space. But more than that, my capacity to be present to others in my family, in my job as a physician, that has been so greatly enhanced. It is an incredible thing to watch someone come in nearly at wit's end with anxiety and like a whirling dervish. And after an hour of sitting with them, observe a sense of peace and calm and centeredness that just emanates from their being. And that's all just God.